was Blue's Clues.
Yeah, we're doing cat, dog, and frog.
It's whatever I do, and then you just gotta go with it.
Okay.
You can't do the same dances for the same animals, so.
I know, like, I do so many things.
Get creative.
Okay.
Moo. Wait, I'm sorry. Moo, 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 moo. Ribbit, ribbit, what? Quack, 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 quack. Woof, 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 woof. I don't know what kind of animal that is. Moo. What is that? Oh, God. Wait, that's not a fucking animal. Cricket? Ribbit. 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 Ribbit.